Hey guys, this is part 3. So, if you haven't seen my other 2 videos, stop the video, go back and watch what I bought and how I put this notebook together. This video is just a flip through. I hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoy putting this book together, and I have a few more lovely things that is coming, a few more videos with this theme, the strawberry theme. And without further ado, I am gonna get started. So this is the charm that I made, and it has 3 beads on it, and then I made this tassel myself. I had bought some string from Michael's. Here it is, in the 3 different colors, and so I decided to make a tassel with the 3 different colors, since all these colors represent the strawberry theme that I'm getting ready to show you. And then I have a strawberry on here. Of course I have bling. I love the bling. And then I have a lobster clasp, and it's gold, and it's big enough to just hook in the ring. And then this is the bookmark charm, and there's a bookmark that I made. I will open it up and show you, but this is the bookmark charm here. It's super cute with the tassel. This hooks on the ring, so it's possible to have a happy planner charm for your rings if you get a big enough lobster clasp to go around. And you want one big enough so you have plenty of room, so it just swings around and it's very flexible. Okay, so in the front here, hopefully this is a good rendering of a strawberry, because this is I made the strawberry. At first I didn't know what I was going to put in front of the book, and then I was like, why not a strawberry? So here's my strawberry, and I may add something else to it, but for right now this is what I did. And I did this with Say It With Crystals. This one is Santa Baby, and I like the colors on this one very much, because it also goes with the theme. When I open up the book, you'll see. And then I have another Say It With Crystals, and this was part of the strawberry theme one. If I can get this, oops, there, and had a bead that just fell. But yeah, this was strawberry one, and I use, as you can see, most of the colors there. So that is that. I am going to move these stickers back over here, and now this is just the inside paper decor paper that I chose to fit slide down in here. And these are the strawberry collection flowers, and I made mini paper clips out of them and stuck them in there just for decor. This here is a pocket, and then this is a big pocket here, and then I just put gemstones here. I have this acetate here, that's also part of the strawberry collection. And then what I did was I put a metallic color, white pearlish metallic paper there, so the strawberries could show up very well, as you can see. And this is the bookmark. I did it myself, and I scalloped the top so it could stick up from the book, so you see a little bit of the strawberry. And here is the charm in all its beauty. Okay, it sits just like that. And if I want to move it, I can. So, yeah. Okay. And then what I have is I have these pages in between. They're like page dividers. And I added, these are ephemeras, so I just added and it came two in the pack, so it was double of everything that came with it, and I just added it as tabs. And then here is notebook paper, this mini notebook paper with the flowers on it, and in the back here flowers. So that's what it looks like. It has graph on one side and then lined on the other, and I thought that this was perfect because it also matched with the theme. And then here is the note paper, and it also matched. So I have 5 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this has 6 in it. Okay, I think it was, oh, it might be either 5 or 6 sheets. But anyway, so what I did was I put an even amount of sheets. I spread it out through all the notebook. Since my rings are like a medium size, they're not like the large jumbo size. And if you ever seen my floral video where I have these lavender color rings, they were like a lot bigger, so these are smaller, so I didn't want to over jumble the notebook with paper, so I just put 5 each. But anywho, and then what I did was I took the packaging that it came in, this piece here, and I just cut the back of the package, and it was like this, the paper came in this, and then it had this here on it to show you what, you know, how it looks in the planner and everything. And I thought it was just a cool idea to cut this out and stick it in a notebook, and then I'll just put like puffy stickers or ephemera. I'll glue it on here just, you know, to make some type of decor going on. And here is another divider page. And I'm just going to flip through this very quickly. Here's another one that I made. And like I said, the stickers is double, so you see it's the same. And then here is the vellum paper. I highly recommend, I tell everybody this, I highly recommend you get this paper and the acetate along with the paper pad if you're gonna get it, because it's so worth it. It's so beautiful, and I love acetate and vellum. So when I found out that they had this in addition to what I got, I had to snatch them up. And here's another cute little paper here. And then here's another one. And here's another page divider. And sorry guys, I'm trying to keep this in view so you can see everything. And it's just repeats of these, oh, my paper, I must have had like some glue on it or something. This is just repeat, not the dividers, but the papers. So like I said, I divided it up evenly. And here's this one. Yep, you see how thick the book is getting. So yeah, I didn't want to add. I have another paper pack, but it was going to be too bulky, so I decided not to add it. I can always take out these pages and add new ones if need be. And here is the last page, or the last divider, and then this is the back. And I am going to decorate this. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I am going to decorate it probably with some puffy stickers or some chipboard stickers that I have here. I have some puffy stickers here, and then I also have some chipboard stickers here. So I'm going to see how it comes out. So you guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is, I'm sorry, I'm hitting the stand here. And this is how it looks in the back. It just says Happy Planner. There it goes. And these are the rings. I had got these red rings at Michael's. I had got the last ones. I was so happy to find the red rings for this project. Yes, I said, God, he did that, because these were the last ones. They were waiting for me because he knew I needed them to finish this project. So thank you guys for watching. Check me out in my next video where I am going to do something unique and different. I haven't seen it done yet, so this will be a first. But yeah, so stay tuned. I have probably like 2 more videos of the strawberry theme going, and I have some good ideas. So stay tuned. Hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share. And God bless you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you later. Bye.